Let me introduce myself. My name is Diana Prilia. I'm from Goa. I'm a student at Makassar Tourism Polytechnic and my hobby is cooking. The most impressive tourist spot I have ever visited is Toraja, the country above the clouds. The country I want to visit is Japan. My favorite travel activity is diving. The travel tips I want to share is to make money and more importantly, find accommodation to rest. What makes me different from people is that I have been able to make money since middle school. The achievement I got was being able to enter my dream university. Don't be afraid to fail because failure is the beginning of success. I hope is that the audience will take the good and discount the bad.